Alright guys, this is a new product that I picked up from Walmart in this video. It is the Cerakote Platinum Rapid Ceramic Spray Coating for vehicles. You guys will see in this video, it's really easy to apply. I didn't really do any hydrophobics of the before and after because the car was already coated with something, but when I washed the vehicle, it kind of wore completely away. So guys, thank you for joining me for this video, and just like, share, subscribe, do what you want to do, and enjoy the video. It's just a after wash wax of my mom's garage queen. So guys, thank you for joining me, and keep on watching. Okay guys, so what you can't see me doing on camera here is actually I'm pre-spraying the towel with the Rapid Ceramic spray coating from Cerakote. The next steps we're going to be doing is we're going to be coating the hood, then we're going to be basically working our way around from the driver's side all the way to the passenger side. So guys, thank you for joining me, and let's keep going in this video. Alright guys, thank you for joining me for the video. Like, share, subscribe, do what you want to do. If you like the video, hit like. If you want to subscribe, hit subscribe. Please, but join me for the next video. Thank you guys, and have a great night.